This is BigMuddyFishing.com, and today we're fishing for carp. Alright, we just have to take down. There we go. This is on my cheap rod. I put it out just to tie that other one up. It's a $10 rod I got on. It's running all over. I'm let them tire out a little bit. Alright, buddy. They're up here. Oh, he's taking drag. Why'd you bite on my cheap bone? Why more people don't do this, I don't know. I only fish for bass and walleye. Good luck. What? That's what people tell me. I only fish for bass and walleye. I'm like, why? I fish for everything. Right? I'll fish for drum, sturgeon. Heck, if Asian carp would bite on the line, I'd fish for. Not as big as I thought. Buddy. Too small. I'm gonna let you go. Got the drag to move. I don't want to bend that foot. Oh, you're gonna take off again, huh? Got it. Yeah, it's a little bigger one. Yeah, I thought he was smaller than that. $10 clearance rod, pole. Can't beat that. It actually is a nicer one. Don't worry, buddy. Don't worry, buddy. I'm gonna get you out. Right in the corner. That hook is big.
That's one of the bad things about some of the hooks.
That's a nicer one. Caught that on our $10 clearance rod pole. Our $10 rod and reel combo we got from Walmart. Let's get this picture out. I'm gonna put him down here on the grass, so I'm not putting him on the rocks before any trolls complain. So let's get him out and show him to you. This actually might. All right, buddy. Don't worry, I got you. All right, so there we go. This is probably the biggest one I've caught here. Maybe I've caught one slightly bigger. I don't know the weight. I don't care. Go out and catch your carp. I caught that on a $10 rod and reel combo I got from Walmart on a clearance rack. You don't need a lot of expensive gear. You just got to get out and do it. You got to get out and try. So I suggest you do this. If you're not fishing for carp, you're missing out. Let's get this guy back in the water. I'm happy. Uh-oh. Oh, would you grab me my net?
Yeah.
Normally I have that down here and I didn't even think about it. You just do it, thank you.
Yep.
That's why it's good to have friends on Facebook. Oh. Best 10-year anniversary ever. Come on, buddy. I'm not going to put this video out until next month. I've been putting too many of these videos out. Yeah. I'm going to wait. Maybe I shouldn't say that on camera.
It's alright, you can edit it out later.
Well, no, but I don't want to edit out the fight.
Well, that's true.
Yeah. Happens to the best of us.
Oh, I know.
But you know, one thing fishing teaches you is patience.
Oh, yes, it does. So. Oh, I definitely need to restrain. All right, buddy.
Number 2. All right, buddy.
That's what he swallowed.
I don't think I got that on camera. All right, while we were releasing another fish, another one hit our other pole. I'm not sure the camera angle got that, but let's put this one in the mat. All right, so this fish hit while I was releasing the other fish. I don't know if I got that on camera or not. We'll have to check. I don't think I did because of the angle of the camera. But another fish, second fish this morning. This is Michael at BigMuddyFishing.com, and we appreciate any subscribes. Hit that notification bell, and let's get this fish released. Anybody got their camera on there? Your phone camera? I was gonna take a picture.
Yeah.
Because I know, I mean, you can just send it to me on Facebook, I guess.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I'll send it to you.
Yeah. You can just paste it on my page.
All right.
All right. You definitely don't think I got that on camera because I was that way and the camera was pointing here. I think we gave him the middle. There it goes.
Oh, you let it go. You got him? Yeah, you got him.
Had to change position. Oh, well, you got him. Well, no, he's there. That's a good way to end the day. Not a big one, you can tell. A real big one. Fish is fishing. That's right. Bill Dan's his little tail. I knew that wasn't a big one, why? But if there's one, there's another one behind him. Well, this little guy just happened, so you know, we're catching carp still. This is the smallest one I've ever caught here. But fishing is fishing. Get out, put your kids on some fish. All you need is a can of corn, size 6 circle hook. In this spot, very little weight because of the rocks. Go out and get you some fish. Let's put this fish back. If I was, at least that fish, not say this on camera, it's upset.